Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to turn a boring backyard space into a beautiful paver patio. Let's go. One of the things you want to do is you want to get yourself a tool like this, and this is really going to help you with the outline of where you're going to dig. So the first thing I'm going to do here is basically use this to go ahead and go down like this and basically make my outline where I'm going to dig, and then just pull it out. And you can see basically how I'm doing this in little squares, just digging up the top grass and then pulling that grass out. And I have a wheelbarrow here. If this grass is good in the area that you're pulling out, you can always use that grass for other areas that you have in your yard that might need the grass. But as you can see, we're going to be digging this in little sections until the top grass is all gone. There you go, right in the wheelbarrow now. Come on. Right in the wheelbarrow. Let's go, let's go. Oh, good job. Go. Right in the wheelbarrow. Come on, you got this. Come on. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe, check out my channel. So here we have what we did today. I went a little further and I went over to where the evergreens are. So I made it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna have to go back to the hardware store and get more pavers, and we're gonna go and dig a little bit more than this, not too much, and flatten out the dirt here as much as we can so we have a nice base. This here in the middle, I'm gonna leave this. That's the other section I did. So I'm gonna leave, like, you know, almost like a landscape island kind of thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move over here and do the pavers. I've been removing a lot of dirt here, a lot of wheelbarrows full of dirt out of here. So even something like this is, you know, it's not that difficult to do, but it requires a little bit of hard work and labor. Alright, stop over there. I'm gonna get the knife to cut it.
Yay! Can I?
Okay, roll it that way. Come on, guys.
No, I'm gonna do it. Yay! Hey! Yay!
Oh, you guys didn't do a good job over here. So your base is really the foundation for these pavers, so you want to make sure that you have the right material that's going to drain well and that's going to hold up well. So here I went to Lowe's and I bought step 1, which was the base material, and then step 2, which was the paver sand. And it's important that you use paver sand and not anything else. Later on in the video you're going to see that I'm going to use a little bit of multi-sand. That's because they ran out of material, and really I just used a little bit underneath the paver. But you really want to use the right materials, and if you do, this is going to last you for a long time. Put over here. Ready? Go, come on, come on. Get up here. Hold it, 2 hands. Go, go. Go. Go, go, go. Come on. This way. Break over there. All right.
If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a comment, put a like, and subscribe.
So now we're here at the edge, and then along the edge what we're going to do is we're going to use some of these anchoring spikes.
What's anchoring spikes?
So this edge can stay in place and not allow the pavers to move. So I'm doing every other one here.
If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a comment, put a like, and subscribe.